Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft chat not showing. So for example, if I press T, as you can see here, for me chat disabled in client options. So what you need to do here, you need to press go to the options here, then you need to go to chat settings, then you need to, the first option should be not hidden but shown, right? And after that your chat should work. But if for some reason this doesn't work, then it's something with your Microsoft account privacy settings. And to fix that, you need to then go to your browser, then you need to go to minecraft.net, log into your account on the top right, and sign in with the Microsoft account or your email. And then we need to wait, then you need to go to my account, then login account .microsoft.com, and then we need to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up here. And after that, you need to press on your name. Then you need to scroll down until you see Xbox profile. And then we need to wait again here. And then you need to go to privacy settings. Then you need to re-enter your password probably here. And on the privacy, you should see, as you can see, you can see unupload community creations, and then other scan. As you can see, it should be other scan communicate with voice, text, or invites. Make sure to select everyone here, right? And that's pretty much it. That's what you need to do here. And also make sure that this two option is allow, and this one is also for everyone or for friends, and that should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.